It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, so today's question of the day, I will be focusing more on mixtures, right? So 90% of the students they write large equations and they make it so confusing. So I will be explaining you mixtures questions which are frequently asked in the examination. We'll do it very easily, right? So today we will be solving those questions regarding mixtures. Water and milk, alcohol and milk, and when they are mixed, what happened, right? So when a little bit 3 or more mixtures are given, when they are mixed, how we can deal it very easily. We'll deal all those things, right? Before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Now, many students were asking me what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic or plus. In iconic, you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively, and how this coach will be helpful. He will be giving you the best study plan. For each and every topic, you will be getting specialized notes and practice tests. Study booster sessions will be available. The most important thing regarding this personal coach is personalized test analysis. So most of the students complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. Automatically, if they are rectified, your score will be boosted. One more advantage when you choose Iconic, you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and educator, so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing, right? So that you'll get the best solutions for that. One more advantage when you choose Iconic subscription, you will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes, so that you can complete all your software courses, which can be kept as a backup for your career, right? Of course, whatever you get in Plus, you will get in Iconic also. In Plus, the classes will be on live pattern, which will be in English and Hindi, and it will be completely structured courses. You can choose your own course and batch according to your need, right? Comprehensive course, crash course, rank improvement batch, right? Weekly tests are available, quizzes are available, right? You can access them unlimitedly. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing Plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. When you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right? And you will get 10% discount. After 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. For 12 months, it will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. We have introduced a new subscription called 9 months, those who are aiming at exactly GATE 2023. So this will be damn helpful for them, right? And you will get 10% discount on this when you use my code NLN10. Prices for Iconic for 12 months will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10. And this is for 18 and 24 months, right? Of course, right, some students are skeptical, right? So how the courses will be, what is the quality of the Plus course, right? How much depth will be there in the course there? So we have introduced a free trial for you, right? So it is a 7-day free trial period. So you can unlock the Plus classes with my code NLN10. And you can check the quality of the courses, you can check the depth of the courses, then you can decide to take Plus subscription, right? So from 13 to 19, this will be available. So unlock the 7-day free trial period with my code NLN10 and then decide it, right? And of course, right, those who are subscribing to Iconic, we will be providing you physical notes from July 1st week, right? Which is prepared by topmost educators in India. And again, sir, we are giving you many choices for you here. If you are, the price is going to hike soon, so those who are serious, do try to subscribe by seeing this free trial, right? And if you're aiming at more discount, do try to write this Ultra Combat, which happens on every Sunday, and this Sunday it is on May 22nd, 11 AM, right? Unlock the Ultra Combat using with my code NLN10. Right? So let's start our discussion here. Now, this is the question that I want to discuss with you here. Observe, the question might be lengthy, but if you decode the data perfectly, you can solve the question fatafat very easily here. So I will solve this question. The next question you have to solve for me. Okay. Observe the question carefully. Every sentence has a twist here. 3 solutions A, B, C having equal volume. So let us suppose take, if this jar contains 100 ml. Second jar also contains 100 ml. C jar also contains 100 ml. Equal volume. Are made up of water and alcohol in the ratio 1:3. So the format is water is to alcohol, it seems here. Water is to alcohol. I will write down here. So how many solutions are there? A, B, C. In A, the water and alcohol ratio is 1:3. Now देखो this B, it is 2:5. You might get a doubt, sir, if I add this water and alcohol parts. So see here, if I add this water and alcohol parts, I am getting 4 here. Right? If I add here, I am getting 7 here. Right? If I add here, I am getting 7 here. Aapne bola in the question they are of equal volumes, but the parts are different. How shall we do now? So there is a concept called, let us find out a value, because A, B, C jars contain equal volume. Let us find out a value which is divisible by 4, which is divisible by 7, which is divisible by 7. And let us take a least value. If that will be very helpful for us, right? 4, 7, 7. LCM batao by anybody in the comment section box. Is it 28? Yes, it is 28. Am I right or wrong? So I will be taking down this as 28. Now see here, A contains 28 parts, B contains 28 parts, C contains 28 parts. Of course, these are ratios. Now what I will do is I will take a common factor there. As they are of equal volumes, I can take common factor for A, B, C together now. There is no issue there. 3:4. Now this will be 4x, this will be 7x, and this will be again 7x, right? I hope so I am clear. Now with this you can solve it very easily, the question there. So see here, 7x. Second. So below I took the LCM value as 28x. Now see here, A, B, C volumes are nothing but equal to 28x volume. Of course, in this 28x, the difference between water and alcohol will be different according to ABC. Now, what is the next point asked? So done. 24 liters of A is taken out and mixed into B Then the composition of water and alcohol in B changes to 11 is to 29, it seems. Bolo beta, first of all, I'll take down this value. I'll write down in reading. Now in A, from A, you took out 24 liters. In those 24 liters, how much will be alcohol and how much will be water? So already you know the ratio there, 1:3. 1 plus 3, if you add 4. Now 24 divided by 4 will be 6. So one part value will be 6 liters. And the 6 liters is nothing but call your water, because one part is water. And coming to next one, 18 liters will be alcohol. Yes, perfectly. Done. I'll write down in black ink. Now, see here, I'll take down like this. In B, how much of water is there? It is 2:5 ratio, but it is not 7x. We took it as totally 28x. 2 plus 5 is 7. 28 divided by 7 will be 4. So automatically 2 parts will be 8. So in B, there will be 8x of water. To this 8x of water, I have added 6 liters of water from A. Divided by, in this 8x, from 28 I remove 8x, so 20x of alcohol will be there. To this 20x of alcohol in B, I have added 18 liters of alcohol in A. So finally it became how much? So the water to alcohol ratio in B became 11:29. Up to here the data is over. By this I can crisscross this and you can find out the value of x there perfectly. So I'll calculate this. 29 into 8 will be there. Is there any common factors that we can remove? Of course we can remove 2. Now I'll write down directly only, right? 29 into 8 is 232. I'll write down here 232x plus 29 into 6 will be how much? 174 is equal to 11 2s are 220x plus how much will be 18 into 11? Calculate this. 18 into 11 is nothing but equal to 198. Now 232 minus 220 is nothing but equal to 12x. 12x is equal to how much is this? 174, 198. Is it 128? Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. 24, sorry. So what will be the x value? X value is equal to 2. I got the x value as 2, then automatically I'll substitute this x value to totally how much volume is there in the jar. In A jar 56, in B jar 56, in C jar 56. 56 liters. I got the x value there. Now here onwards my calculations will be damn easy. Yes or no? Let's come to the next part. Had 14 liters had been taken from the original solution B and mixed into C. I'll write down here. You took 14 liters of solution from B, it seems here. 14 liters of solution from B. Automatically, how much will be water and how much will be alcohol? Up they go. 2:5, 7 parts. 14 by 7 is 2 liters. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. It is 2 liters. One part is 2 liters, 2 parts is 4 liters. So 4 liters of water and 10 liters of alcohol. This is what you have taken out from B. And this you have mixed with C, it seems. I'll write down C here. Now come back to C, you have mixed this solution. So C, in C, how much of water is 3:4, 7 parts, 28. So automatically one part will be 4. So how much will be this in this? So they go right. In C, C contains how much of solution? We have calculated this 56 liters. In this 56 liters, how much of water will be there? You calculate this. So 56 by 7 is 8 liters. 8 threes are 24. Am I right? Around 24 liters of water. So all these ratios I have done in the previous class itself. Next, this will be how much more? 32 liters of alcohol. These two you have mixed it seems. These two you have mixed it. This is what the question. I'll write on writing. 4 liters of water plus 24 liters of water in C. 10 liters of water in B and 32 liters of water in C. So is it 28 by 42? 28 by 42 is nothing but equal to how much mark? Is it 2:3? Yes, it is 2:3 and मैंने कर दिया like this. Exactly. So decode the things there. Of course, I made 3 to 4 questions into one set. In your GATE and ESE examination, nobody will ask you this much a lengthy set. Okay. So be focused on this. And yes, let's come to the next. I want you guys to try this question here. I have added one second. Sorry. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. At least try to write down the equations. Solving, let us see, right? Those who are fast can solve it very, very easily. So at least try to frame the equations perfectly. Enough for me. Try to frame the equations. We'll be dealing only 3 questions, man. Don't worry about that. Any answers for this, right? If I ask you to solve automatically, people are not interested here. Eco, right? So I'm doing only questions for you, right? Basics already available on the channel. So I'm collecting the best questions from various sources. People should show some interest here. Otherwise, right, it will be so demotivating for educators also. A rice trader mixes 3 types of rice, type A, type B and type C it seems. Okay, first of all, I'll write down this type. So type A, type B, type C, such that the price of type A is more than that of the price of type B, that is more than that of price C it seems. So this is type, this is price. Price of A, I'll take down A, it is greater than B it seems, it is greater than C. So price of A is small a, price of B is small b, price of C is small c. I hope so I am clear regarding this. What is the point given there? Which is more than, if x kg of a mixture, okay, if x kg of a mixture contains type A, type B and type C in the ratio 1:2:2. So there is an x kg of mixture, it seems. And in this x kg of mixture, type A, type B, type C, all the three types are there. And type A is one part, type B is one part. Is it one? Two parts, okay. Type C is two parts. For our convenience, as 1 to 2 doesn't have any common factors, we'll take 1 kg, 2 kg, 2 kg only. So this x, for our convenience, let us change if we go wrong. I'll take down this as 5 kg by adding all those things. I'll take down as 5. This x I will take down as 5 by adding these 4 components. Right, in the ratio. And sold at the price of type A, then 66.67% profit is obtained, it seems here. Chalo, I'll take down like this. So, अब देखो क्या हुआ, right? 1 kg price of A is A. So, I'll take down this as A. 2 kgs of B with a price of B, 2B will be the total price. 2 kgs of C with a price of small c will be 2C is the total price. Totally, how much you have mixed it? 5 kgs, right? This is your original mixture there. Let us suppose take this mixture is one part value and this is your cost price. This one is cost price. What I will do is I'll convert these percentages into fractions, which will be very easy. I already gave this fraction values many times. Now how much is 66.67? Is it 2 by 3? Yes, it is 2 by 3. 1 by 3 is 33.3. Multiply into 2, it is 66.67. So what will be the selling price there? Selling price will be 1 plus cost price plus profit. This is the profit that you obtain, it seems, 2 by 3. This will be your selling price. 1 plus 2 by 3. So what is the point given there? They sold at the price of type A. And sold at the price of type A is the point given there. So finally, I'll write down the point there. So crisscross this, you will get the value. A plus 2B plus 2C divided by 5. So if I multiply this, this becomes 5 by 1 plus 2 by 3 is 5 by 3. And this is the complete selling price of the mixture. This selling price of the mixture is equal to, is sold at the price of type A means is equal to A. Yes, it is equal to A. Finally, then this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. This 3 will go to this side, which will become 3A. This A will come to the right hand side. So 2B plus 2C will be equal to 2A. And finally, I can write down B plus C is equal to A. So I'll keep this equation aside and then I'll write down the remaining part. Then I will continue with the remaining things. Come to the next one now. Ab dekho, already we have taken the value of x as 5. Am I right or not? I took this value x as 5. I'll write down. I took the value of x as 5. If I go wrong, then I said that I'll change it. So now 2x by 5 it seems. Now 2x by 5 means x value is 5. Automatically the value will be 2 kg. Now what is the question as 2 kg? Okay. Let's see the remaining points also. Now 2x by 5 amount of rice type C is added and mixture is sold at the price type of B, then only 16.67 profit is obtained, it seems. Okay, fine. Let's come back. Now, how much did you add at A? Previously 1 kg and now also 1 kg. 1 into A, the price, total price of A is A. 2 kgs of B, 2B. Now, previously there is 2 kgs of C. Now, extrally you added 2 kgs of C extra. So, it becomes 4C divided by total quantity here is will be 7 kg. Am I right or wrong? Now see, this is your cost price value. How much profit did you obtain there? 16.67 it seems. 16.67 is nothing but equal to how much, ma'am? Anybody in the comment section box? Is it 1 by 6? Yes, it is. 16 2 by 3 is nothing but called 1 by 6. So my cost price, my selling price will be 1 plus 1 by 6, which will become 7 by 6. I'll write down here A plus 2B plus 4C divided by 7 into 7 by 6. is equal to, now this is sold at what price it seems? Is the data given there? It is sold at B. So B price is B only now. Okay, fine. 7 gets cancelled off. This 6B will be here. 2B take down this side will become 4B. Am I right or wrong? 4B, and this 4C I'll take down this side. 4 minus 4C is equal to A. Can I take down like this? What is the question asked? Then we will rearrange the equation. Find the ratio of per unit price of type A to that of type B, it seems. So you are asked to find out A is to B ratio, then you have to eliminate CMA. So what shall I do there? What shall I do there? I'll write down like this. I don't want C here. Here also I have to eliminate C here. C is equal to, can I write down this equation as C is equal to A minus B? A minus B. So what I will do is I will substitute the same value in the place of here. Okay, what I will do is 4B minus A is equal to, I'll write down 4C. In this C value, I will substitute A minus B. So finally the equation becomes 4B minus A is equal to 4A minus 4B. Now this 4B will go to left hand side, will become 8B, A will become to right hand side, will become 5A. So automatically A by B is nothing but equal to how much here? Is it 8 by 5? Yes, it is 8 by 5 and my ratio is 8:5. I got the answer perfectly without any issues there. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. And my answer is 8:5. So those who can write down the equations perfectly, crispy and easy, automatically they can solve the question fatafat. Done. Last question, right? So I'm expecting you guys to answer this question. These two questions are my most favorite. Since 2 years I'm dealing these questions with many persons. Let's see how many can solve this. This is a simple interest and compound interest based question. We have solved in question of the day in 7. So, and you know the basics also. Let's try this last one. I'll not force you. Any answers for this? A sum of 36 lakh is divided into n equal parts, it seems. So I hope so you can break up this question very easily here. Nobody got this idea? Little bit okay. Is divided into n equal parts and deposited in a bank such that the first part is deposited at simple interest at 2% for 1 year, second part is deposited for a simple interest 4% for 2 years, third part 6% for 3 years, so on until the nth year. If the total interest earned is 14.4 lakh, find the value of n. Now this one part value is nothing but equal to how much here? 36 by n. Am I right or wrong? So I'll keep it this like this. 36 by n. because total 36 lakh is divided into this 36 lakh. I'll write on this value also, 36 lakh. Okay. Now bolo beta. Now first part, simple interest. Simple interest formula everybody know, this is PTR by 100. So 36. So can I take this 36 lakh divided by n as common, because P is common for all the years now. So I'll take down 36,000 divided by n, common value. So they go by a P value I took common. Time period is how much for first one? Time period is how much for the first one? 4%. First 2%. Time period is 1 year. 2% divided by 100. Ab dekho, denominator 100 also will be common there. So I will do like this. I will take the 100 as also common there. Next year time period is how much for next part? Next part is 2 years for 4% interest rate. Next is 3 years for 6% interest. Next will be how much more? 4 years, 8% interest rate. Am I right or wrong? So on up to nth year it seems. And this is nothing but equal to this total that you have obtained interest is 14,40,000. This is the value there. Chalo, I'll cross off this 2 zeros. Now here 1, 2, 3 zeros. Here also 3 zeros. So at last finally this becomes how much means, I'll take down like this. 1440 divided by 36 into n. Am I right or wrong? N is equal to, now how much is this ma? 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. Is there any pattern to crack this? Anybody has any idea there? 1 into 2 is 2. Okay. Now if I take 2 as common there, what will be value left over? 1. Here 4 will be left over. Here if I take 2, 9 will be left over. Here if I take 2, 16, 9, how much will be left over there? 8 4s are 32 divided by 2, it will be 16. Yes. So closely observe there. Can I write down like I will remove 2 here. So this will be 1, this will be 2 square, this will be 3 square, this will be 4 square. Am I right or wrong? So on. Right. I hope so you got my point there. Right. Okay, we little bit changed the pattern there. Now let me complete it. Into n is equal to 2 into. Now this is the point there. This is 2 into 2, right? I'll write on the next slide. 1440 into n divided by 36 is equal to 2 into, now everybody know what is this? Sum of n squares. So is it n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6? Yes, it is that one only. You are asked to find out n value. So I'll write on the same value there. 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Yes, perfectly. So 6 ones are 6 6 are. Now this 2 will come to this side, will become 12. 12 ones are 12 12s are 120. This n gets cancelled. So I'll remove this 2 also. So what will be finally left over? N plus 1 into 2n plus 1 is equal to 120 is the leftover thing. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So n into 2n will be 2n square. N into n will be n. So this 2n into 1 will be 2n. So finally I can write down this as 3n plus 1 into 1 will be 1 is equal to 120. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So what will be the roots there? Did I miss anything there? N into n will be 2n square, n into n will be 1, 2n, 3n, yes 1. So 2n square plus 3n. So this 120 will come to this side, will become 119 is equal to 0. Can anybody find out the roots there? That will be the answer there. So check there, 119 into 2 will be 238. 238 and it has to be 3. 238 matlab where I can get there? Is it 17 into 14? Yes. 238 is nothing but equal to 17 into 14. And 17 minus 14 is nothing but equal to 3. How many of you got this? So I can write down like this. 2n square plus minus 17n or plus 14n minus 17n minus 119 is equal to 0. So I can take down which one as common, ma? I can take down 2n as common. So this will be n plus 7. Am I right? I can take down minus 17 as common. What will be this one? So sorry, I can take down n as common. I can take down n as only common there. Sorry. So this will be 2n plus 14. So this will be, I will take down 17 as common, which will be equal to O. Did I miss out anything there? Once check it. 17, 14. Did I miss out anything there? Once ek baar check karo and we are done correctly on here. 2n square plus this has to be plus now. Okay, plus 17n minus 14n minus 119 is equal to 0. Now this is correct. So I can take down 2n as common. If I take down 2n as common, this will be n as common. N plus 17. Okay, I cannot take. So see here, can I write down like this? Second. 1 second now. 1 second. Give me 1 second. We are right, but I am writing down wrong values there. Minus 14n plus 17n. So I'll take down 2n as common. This will be n minus 7. So I'll take down 17 as common. This will be n minus 14. Otherwise, I can take down like this. I'll remove this. I'll write down like this. 2 here. We missed out something now. We missed out something. Yeah, miss kiya, right? I'm writing down the roots wrong. Anybody help me regarding this? 2n square plus 13. 3. Is it right? First of all, n into n, 2n square. Perfectly done. Okay. Yeah, I'm right only now. Okay, we'll get the roots for this 17 and 14. Yeah, that's for sure. I am right. So your answer will be n is equal to 14. This I can damn surely say. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let me check down this. Give me 1 second, ma. I'll be checking down this. I have written it perfectly at one point here. Give me 1 second.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date. with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's
Yes, we got the value there. Sorry, yeah. Just give me 1 second. Yes, we wrote it correctly only, ma'am. So n value will be 7 and another n value will be 17 minus 17 by 2. We are right only. It is not 14. We have done it correctly only. We have done correctly only. So n value has to be positive and your n value is not 14, it is 7. We have done it correctly only. I only overlooked 2 to 3 times. I'll write down like this. 2n square minus 14n plus 17n minus 119 is equal to 0. So I'll take down 2n as common. So n minus 7 will be left over. If I take down 17n as common, n minus 14 will be left over. Check down there. Done. Couldn't take n, 17 I have to take it as common. This is n minus 7. Done. Or otherwise, right, you can take down like this also. So see here, I'll remove this 2n here. I'll write down 2n only, 2n minus 14. Here also 2n minus 14, right? You will be getting 7 as the root there. Perfectly done. We are perfect. These are the roots there. Okay. Chalo then. So tomorrow I'll be coming up with geometry here. Most of the students are missing down this geometry topic very well. So I'll be dealing all those topics perfectly, right? So I hope so. This class is perfect. As you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock combats which happens on Unacademy. Yes, you can unlock free classes which happens on Unacademy. Yes. The price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. And we have introduced a new subscription pattern 9 months, and those who are aiming at GATE 2023 can use this, right? And the price for iconic for 12 months will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10. And yes, those who are aiming at only test series, right? We have introduced GATE Lite subscription. You can use that. Coming to the next one, you need not wait for anyone's help, right? If you have any doubt, just crop the picture, upload in doubts and solutions, select the preferred language, and you will get the video solution within minutes. You can ask 3 doubts at a time. Use this feature on Unacademy Ask a Doubt, which is damn helpful. And do try to attend my special classes where I am right now dealing with campus placement strategy sessions. And those who are aiming at premium placements, yes, my strategy will be damn helpful for you. So do try to attend these sessions there. And do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding the courses, right, of all the educators, right, what are the offers available or everything. So please do try to hit the like button and share my classes if you like it so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF and hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you,
Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you,
Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.